The Vande Bharat Express, also known as Train 18, is an Indian semi-high-speed, intercity, EMU train which was designed and manufactured by Integral Coach Factory at Parambar, Chennai under the Indian government's Make in India initiative over a span of 18 months. The unit cost of the first rake was estimated at superscript 100 crore, although it is expected to go down with subsequent production. At the original price, it is estimated to be 40% cheaper than a similar train imported from Europe. The train was launched on 15 February 2019, by which date a second unit will have been produced and readied for service. The service was named Vande Bharat Expresses on 27 January 2019. As of August 2021, the Indian Railways operates two Vande Bharat trains, one from Delhi to Varanasi and the other from Delhi to Katra. In January 2021, Indian Railways awarded the contract for supply of propulsion and control equipment of 44 rakes to Medha Servo Drives, based at Hyderabad. Train No.is 22439 up 22440 DN. Vande Bharat Express is designed to be capable of running at a maximum speed of 200 km per hour, but the tracks on which the train operates are not capable of supporting such high speeds, hence the train is operated at a maximum speed of 130 km per hour. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.